That's not how you caramelize. Fine, whatever.
Okay. Ginger and garlic. Wait, let's see.
And even the passion fruit zest. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh,
Boom, boom, boom. Try this one. Ginger and garlic. Rice vinegar. Chinese rice. You have Chinese rice vinegar?
huh? No.
That's yours. We bought it. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Just 2 tablespoons.
Oh, you got that.
Oh, you want the peppery flavor? Whatever flavor. Just a pinch of black pepper, not too much. Because we want a little bit only. Like, too much doesn't taste good. Alright. Sea salt, potato sauce.
Some milk.
Alright, and then put like a little bit water, maybe 6 tablespoons. Now we need to dump this thing into the pan. Is it ready yet?
I cannot be rushed. Not of fight, cannot be rushed.
Everything else. Alright, thì what? I need to put oil too. I need to put oil, I don't know. 20 minutes. Make it more colorful. Smells good already though. So good already. Ready. Không đi đâu. Không có áo sugar. so good. Passion fruit flavor, some pepper flavor, some winey flavor, and sweetness as well. Very good. I love it. This is a passion fruit that không good. Look, passion fruit taste it. Super good. Passion fruit that không bị ý hả? Taste it. Not bitter, but you like it. You like it. Yeah. But that the beef tastes bitter, not the beef. Passion fruit tastes bitter.
No, that's my nose.
Yeah, it is.
That's passion fruit?
Yeah, passion fruit, yes. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's a good sauce. Marinade. Yeah. The beef tastes so good. Khó đâu.